anymore. Feels like floating slowly on a quiet lake, but the river still pulls, so don't make mistake. Sometimes deep, sometimes wide, let fair winds be your guide. If you try to fight the flow, soon you'll find how slow you'll go. Son, all rivers lead to the sea. Don't lose sight of what will be. If you wander far from shore, you forget what you're longing for. Don't stay long upon the land. Sail ahead and understand. Every laugh with every friend helps you reach your journey's end. Rivers sometimes run shallow. Watch out for stones down below. If you hit bottom and water starts to pour, I'll watch you from the shore, you know.